In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on BCH future while examining Bitcoin money cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Bitcoin money. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Bitcoin money value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that BCH is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will BCH succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Bitcoin money value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is BCH and its to-date history. Bitcoin money introduction. In mid-2017, a gathering of engineers needing to build Bitcoin's block size limit arranged a code change. The change, called a hard fork, produced results on the 1st of August 2017. Thus, the Bitcoin record called the blockchain and the digital currency split in two. Bitcoin money was made out of pressure among early Bitcoin financial backers over rising exchange charges and progressively disparate sentiments on the best on-chain scaling answers for Bitcoin. Bitcoin money additionally focuses on severe adherence to what is referred to Satoshi's as vision for the first Bitcoin, seeing shared exchanges as the guiding principle recommendation of the organization and the element that ought to be advanced versus other contending factors like security. It contrasts from different renditions in that it empowered the increment of the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB. Its general objective is to expand the quantity of exchanges that can be handled by the organization, trusting that Bitcoin money will actually want to rival the volume of exchanges that industry Goliaths like PayPal and Visa can right now process. Bitcoin money value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0210 plus 2.07% $140. 88-2023-02 11 plus 6.69% $147 27 2023-02 12 plus 6.15% $146 52 2023-02 13 plus 0.47% $138 68 2023-02 14 plus 4.05% $143 63 2023-02 15 plus 6.07% $146 41 2023-02 164.44% $131 90-2023-02 171.31% $136 22 2023-02 183.10% $133 76 2023-02 19 plus 1.29% $139 81 2023-02 201.77% $135.59 Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 20.56% $109.65. 2023 APRA, 33.18% $92.23 2023 May, 26.98% $100.79 2023 June, 16.80% $114.85 2023 July, 12.70% $120.50 2023 Aug, 9.28% $125.22 2023 Sep, 1.13% $136.48 2023 Oct, plus 4.27% $143.92 2023 Na, plus 10.15% $152.04 2023 Dec, plus 10.22% $152.14 2024 Jan, plus 23.87% $170.98 2024 Feb, plus 24.80% $172.26 BCH value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees BCH coming to $281.58 in 2025. What will BCH be worth in 5 years? The cost of BCH in 5 years could lie around $263.56. Bitcoin money value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Bitcoin money will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Bitcoin money coming to $703.96 in 2030. What Bitcoin money will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Bitcoin money coming to $1,407.92 in 2040. Will Bitcoin money supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin money won't supplant or surpass BTC. Is Bitcoin money worth purchasing? We are promoters of respectably hazardous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Bitcoin money merits purchasing. Is Bitcoin money a wise speculation? Bitcoin money is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Bitcoin money be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $84.48. In the long haul, it could leap to $703.96 or much higher. For what reason will Bitcoin money succeed and get more expensive? Bitcoin money has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Bitcoin money ascending to $703.96 in 2030. For what reason will Bitcoin money fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing methodology, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish